change, man. Oil change. I think I'm changing these. Probably cut this out. I don't know what you guys think. Oil filter.
Check on the check on film, man. The front end, you know, keep it all along. What are you doing? The front end, what are you doing? Huh?
There you go, bro. Alright, so let's do a quick startup. See what it sounds like. Oil change. Oh, nice and smooth. Hey, listen to me. I don't know if you guys know, but when you change your oil, like especially if you didn't change it, say often, so you waited like, you know, a few months in between oil changes. When you do change your oil, your car runs and sounds a lot better. Like it sounds full. Like, I don't know, like similar to if you fill your car with gas, like you can feel the weight, but there's a difference. So it's a good thing to change your oil as often as possible. So when you start up, you get, you know, you get a sound like this. That sound good. That sound good. So I did an oil change. I'm going to show you guys what I use for the fuel, and yeah, I might do the spark plugs later, but for now I think the oil and the filter and the gas was definitely important. I got to do some tires too. You know, you see my tire got an egg, and the next tire I've been doing some little sliding shit, so it been peeling up like from the rim of the tire. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Yeah, so I've been doing some sliding, and that's what I accomplished so far. So yeah, change your oil, man. So let me show you what the fuel thing looks like. Yeah, Lucas. So this is what the fuel thing on them. So that's what you want to get when you putting in oil, fuel in your car. You want to just put this in after or before, and this is going to clean your injectors and just have your car overall performing a lot better. So you can do stuff like and, you know, get those nice sounds. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe, share these videos, let everybody, you know, join the community, follow my Instagram, and I'm out.